Okay, I only got one shot of doing this. Today is Thursday, September 19th, 2024, and I'm rewinding this tape here to use as a timer because I'm going to open this little package with two motors, which is a 9-volt clockwise motor. Okay, so as soon as that stops, I'm going to open this package here that I got from eBay for two 9-volt clockwise motors, alright? And I'm going to test them. That's right, I need my little... Okay, so that stopped. Hit play. Oh, come on now. Well, works there. What is going on now? Oh, I went the wrong direction. Okay, well, rewind. I went the wrong direction. That's what the whole deal is. Okay, so while that's rewinding, okay. Alright, so I need scissors. Okay, yeah. Scissors. And, and open this little package here. It's whatever. Okay, so there we go. It's opened. And what's in the package? Nothing but these two motors. Okay, and the motors don't have wires on them, but they are. They do have a nice pad of solder on them, okay, and they are, okay, they're listed as a 9-volt, okay, so here we are, here's both of them, right, can you see that? Hopefully, should say 9-volt CW on them, okay, they are EG-530AD-9F. Alright, so they're supposed to be 9 volts. Alright. Now I have a in my lap I have a pair of test deals, which are just clip-on deals like that. And there goes the tape finally. Okay, so now hit, there we go. And give it some volume. It's got plenty of volume. There's that. Let me, just a little background noise. Now I'm going to use this propeller to show that it rotates in the proper direction. Alright, so put the propeller on here because you really can't see the darn thing. So that's how it should go this way. It should go that way when I give it power. Now so without further ado, just put the yellow on here because we don't know which is which. It should just start rotating. Wow. But that's going here. That's going the wrong way. It's not going, let's see. It's going the wrong way. It's blowing air on me. I mean, just it's blowing air away. It's not, see, it's going the wrong way. Really fast, really strong. Well, you saw that, right? So here, let's do it. Yeah. See, it's going counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. So now let's try it forward. Now it's really strong. So let's just change the polarity, okay, and see if it goes this way, but not as strong. So these are labeled incorrect. See, so there. Now it's blowing air this way. See, so these are, because I got 9 volts coming to this here, but this is wrong. That's here. So That's clockwise, but it's very little, very little. So these are labeled incorrectly. So that's, here, let me turn this off. Now you can't really hear the motor, but I'll be quiet, right? You hear that? Now let me switch it, and you'll hear how loud this thing can be with that's ridiculous. So that's counterclockwise. That's blowing a hell of a lot of air. That's going the wrong direction. That's counterclockwise, and this is clockwise. All right. Very little air. It spins, but it's not a it's not a clockwise motor, because it should. Alright, well, so it's labeled incorrectly, okay? I'm sure the other one's the same way. Let's just check it. Alright, so see me, I'm putting this one down, I'm picking this motor up, I put the same propeller on it, okay? Stick it on there and get, golly, what was it? I don't even remember. Okay, so there's that, here's this. So that's counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Very, very strong that way. And we change it. We've got very little strength here. That's clockwise, but there's very little strength. Okay, well, these are wrong. To make this public and see about returning this to eBay. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. Well, you know what? Here, let me show it. Let me do it like this before I sign off. Come on, wake up, phone. Alright. Let's go to eBay and go to let's see here, my eBay purchases. Alright, so here it is. That's what I bought, and that's not what I got. Okay, that's see here, so that's what I got right there. That's what I ordered from. This is Big Mall, okay? Ordered from Big Mall, and that's what they are, and they're incorrect. They're wrong. They're not clockwise. Alright, so anyway, that's all I know. That's all I can tell you. It's just that's what I ordered, that's what I got. They're incorrect. See about returning these and or seeing if they get me another pair. Like that, alright? So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. And see about returning these and getting a pair of clockwise motors, because it says, anyway. Okay, but I need them to work in this model. Now I got a motor in here, but it's a used motor, but it does work, as you can hear it play, right? So it does work, but I'd prefer to have a new motor in there if I could. Anyway, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Said that 1,000 times now. Gotta go. Bye-bye.